Welcome to a game-changing journey into the world of AI animation. Today, we're diving into tools that are reshaping how animations are created. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Imagine having the ability to craft professional, high-quality animations without spending weeks learning complicated software or hiring expensive specialists. With AI tools like Prome.ai and Vidu.Studio, creating stunning visuals is now just a matter of a few clicks, and anyone, regardless of their experience, can master it. In this video, I'll show you how these platforms can transform your ideas into animations that not only look amazing, but can also open up exciting revenue streams. From building a standout YouTube channel to selling custom animations for businesses, these tools are perfect for anyone who wants to turn creativity into income. And the best part? The simplicity. You don't need advanced skills or a technical background, just your imagination and the right guidance. Think about the potential. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or someone looking to start a side hustle, the world of AI-powered animation offers endless possibilities. Today, I'll walk you step by step through these platforms, explaining how to unlock their full potential. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to create animations effortlessly, but also understand how to leverage them for financial success. So, grab your notepad because this is not just another tutorial, it's your ticket to unlocking a whole new level of creative freedom. Whether you're looking to animate for personal projects or monetize your content on platforms like YouTube, this is the video you've been waiting for. Let's get started and see just how easy and exciting creating animations with AI can be. In this part of the video, I'm going to walk you through Prome.ai, an incredible platform packed with powerful AI tools for generating animations, editing images, and streamlining creative workflows. I'll break it down step by step, so by the end of this section, you'll be fully equipped to create amazing animations and designs using Prome.ai. Let's get started. Step 1. Getting started first. Visit Prome.ai.pro and create an account if you haven't already. The registration process is quick, and once you're in, you'll see a neatly organized interface with two main categories in the sidebar: image generation tools and workflows. To make things easy, I'll go through each tool in detail. Let's start with the image generation tools on the left. Section 1. Image generation tools. This section includes a variety of AI tools designed to enhance your creativity, each serving a unique purpose. Here's how they work. 1. Sketch rendering. This tool is perfect for artists who start with rough sketches and want to transform them into polished, detailed images. Simply upload a black and white sketch, and the AI will add textures, colors, and realistic details to bring your vision to life. You can adjust the style or intensity of the rendering to match your desired outcome, whether it's for comic art, concept design, or a quick draft for a client. Second AI image generator. 2.AI image generator. This is one of the most versatile tools on the platform. You can input a detailed text prompt describing a scene, character, or idea, and the AI will generate a high-quality image based on your description. It's particularly useful for creating illustrations, visualizing story ideas, or experimenting with creative concepts. The generator also supports different art styles, so whether you want something realistic or abstract, this tool can handle it. Third consistency. Rendering. If you're working on a project that requires multiple images to follow the same visual style, this tool is invaluable. For example, if you're animating a character, the AI ensures that all generated frames maintain the same colors, proportions, and details. This saves hours of manual editing and ensures a cohesive final product. Fourth, HD upscaler. Ever had a low-resolution image that you wished you could use in a larger format? The HD upscaler lets you enhance the quality of your image without losing details. It's perfect for upscaling small sketches, thumbnails, or older digital assets into print-ready resolutions. 5. Erase and replace. This is like having a digital eraser and paintbrush combined. You can remove unwanted objects or areas in your image and seamlessly replace them with something else. The AI fills in the gaps intelligently, ensuring the replacements look natural and fit the overall composition. 6. Outpainting. Outpainting allows you to expand your artwork beyond its original canvas. For instance, if you've drawn a character but want to add a background or extend the scene, this tool will generate the additional elements for you, blending them seamlessly with the existing artwork. 7th region, rendering. This tool lets you focus on specific parts of an image. For example, if you have a character design and want to refine just the face or clothing, you can select that region and enhance it using the AI. It's precise, making it great for detailed touch-ups. 8. Image to video. This tool is perfect for creating quick animations. You start by uploading a static image, and the AI generates smooth transitions or dynamic effects, turning it into a short video. You can use it for social media content or animated storytelling. 9. Text to video. This is where things get really exciting. You input a text description of the scene or animation you want, and the AI generates a video based on your description. For instance, you could describe a serene forest with birds flying, and the AI creates a realistic or stylized animation of that exact scenario. Section 2. Workflows. The workflow section is all about automating and enhancing your creative processes. Each tool here serves a distinct purpose to save time and deliver professional quality results. 1. Photo to sketch. This tool transforms your photos into artistic sketches. You can upload any image, and the AI will analyze it to produce a hand-drawn effect. This is great for creating unique artwork, brainstorming designs, or adding a creative touch to your content. You can choose from various sketching styles, such as pencil, charcoal, or ink. 2. Image variation. Sometimes you want to explore different options for a single idea, and this tool helps you do exactly that. Upload an image, and the AI generates several variations, each with slight changes in composition, color palette, or design. It's ideal for A/B testing or brainstorming creative directions. 3. Creative fusion. With this tool, you can combine two images to create something entirely new. For instance, you could merge a landscape photo with an abstract design to produce surreal, dreamlike artwork. It's perfect for creating hybrid visuals that stand out. 4th AI architecture generator. If you're into designing buildings or futuristic structures, this tool is for you. You can input keywords or upload initial designs, and the AI generates detailed architectural visuals. It's particularly helpful for architects, urban designers, and anyone working on science fiction projects. 5th scenario. Changer. This tool allows you to modify the mood or setting of an image. For example, you can take a daytime photo and turn it into a nighttime scene, or change the season from summer to winter. It's great for storytelling or adding variety to your visuals. 6th exterior renovator. Perfect for architects or homeowners, this tool lets you redesign the exterior of a building. You can visualize new materials, colors, or structural changes without having to start from scratch. 7. Interior remodel. Similar to the previous tool, this one focuses on interior spaces. You can upload photos of a room, and the AI will help you reimagine it with different layouts, furniture, or color schemes. It's a fantastic tool for interior designers or DIY enthusiasts. 8. Panorama generator. If you want to create panoramic images or expand existing ones, this tool is for you. It's particularly useful for creating wide-angle shots for landscapes, cityscapes, or virtual tours. 9. Background diffusion. This tool generates high-quality backgrounds that blend perfectly with your foreground elements. Whether you're creating animations, game designs, or marketing materials, this ensures your background looks professional and cohesive. Specialized tools. Finally, Prome.ai also offers niche tools like Virtual Try-On, which lets you design and test clothing digitally, and AI Supermodel, where you can create 3D avatars for gaming or animation. Each of these tools expands the creative possibilities even further. And that's Prome.ai in detail. By mastering these tools, you can elevate your animations, designs, and creative projects to a whole new level. Vidu.Studio. 1. Image 2. Video section. This section is designed for users who want to transform still images into animated videos using AI. Here, you can upload an image or select one from your library as the foundation for the animation. The platform uses advanced algorithms to analyze the image and generate dynamic movements, adding life and depth to static visuals. Once the image is uploaded, users can input descriptive prompts to dictate the style, mood, or story of the animation. For instance, you might upload a nature scene and instruct the AI to create a breezy, sunlit atmosphere with moving leaves and birds. This feature is ideal for creators seeking quick and visually captivating animations from simple imagery without requiring extensive editing skills. 2. Reference to Video section. The Reference to Video section allows users to create animations by combining an image and a text prompt. By uploading an image and providing a detailed description, the AI generates a video that stays consistent with the reference while animating it in imaginative ways. A unique toggle called Multi-Entity Consistency ensures that multiple elements in the animation interact realistically. For example, if you describe a forest with animals running, the AI makes sure that the motions of the animals and their surroundings are synchronized. This section is especially useful for storytelling, as it lets creators add depth and realism to their narratives. Additionally, this tool eliminates the complexity of manually animating scenes, making it accessible to users with varying levels of expertise. 3rd, Text-to-Video section. This feature enables users to create videos entirely from text prompts, turning words into fully animated sequences. By entering a detailed description, the AI interprets the scene and crafts a visually engaging video without requiring any images or pre-existing assets. For example, typing a futuristic city with flying cars under a glowing sunset results in a vivid animation depicting the described scene. The flexibility of this feature makes it ideal for creators who rely heavily on storytelling or conceptual visuals for their content. Moreover, the AI allows users to adjust scene elements such as the duration, mood, and level of detail, ensuring the video aligns perfectly with their vision. This tool is particularly useful for educators and marketers who need quick yet professional visual content to accompany their messages. 4th, Prompt Box and Enhance Prompt option. Below the Reference to Video section is a box where users can write detailed prompts to guide the AI in creating animations. This box supports creative freedom, letting you describe scenes in as much detail as needed to ensure the AI understands your vision. The Enhance Prompt option refines and expands upon your input, adding more depth or nuance to the final output. For example, if your initial prompt is a forest with a waterfall, the enhanced version may add, with sunlight filtering through the trees and mist rising from the flowing water. This ensures that your animations are rich in detail and aesthetic appeal. By utilizing this feature, even users who struggle to write descriptive prompts can produce highly engaging and visually appealing videos. It also helps refine ambiguous ideas into polished results, saving users significant time and effort. 5. Preview and output controls. Speed, auto, aspect ratio. Under the prompt box, users will find controls to customize the animation's playback speed, duration, and aspect ratio. The speed option allows creators to determine how fast or slow the animations play, making it adaptable for various storytelling or educational needs. The auto setting gives users a default, optimized animation output based on the input provided, ensuring a quick and seamless process for those who don't want to tweak every detail. Aspect ratio settings like 16:9, square, or portrait let users create videos suitable for platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. These options make the tool versatile, catering to different formats and audiences with minimal adjustments. By allowing precise customization, these controls empower creators to tailor their content for specific purposes, ensuring professional results every time. 6. Created Video Preview. The right-hand panel displays a preview of the created video, giving users immediate feedback on how their inputs and settings affect the output. This real-time preview ensures that creators can make adjustments on the fly, tweaking prompts, speeds, or other details as needed. The panel also includes playback controls, so users can watch their animations multiple times to assess quality and accuracy. For instance, if an animation feels too fast or lacks detail, users can pause, return to the prompt, and refine their inputs. The preview also provides a glimpse into the AI's interpretation of your ideas, offering insights into how to craft better prompts for future projects. This iterative process is essential for achieving the best results, as it blends user creativity with AI-driven animation capabilities. 7. Edit options. Re-edit and upscale. Once a video is generated, users have the option to either re-edit or upscale it for higher resolution and quality. The Re-edit button allows users to go back and modify their original inputs, making changes to prompts or adjusting animation settings. This is especially useful for refining videos when the initial output doesn't fully meet expectations or requires more specific details. The upscale button enhances the resolution and overall quality of the animation, ensuring it looks professional even on larger screens. For example, if a video is intended for a high-definition presentation, upscaling ensures that the visuals remain crisp and detailed. These features highlight Vidu.Studio's commitment to flexibility and quality, catering to both casual creators and professionals alike. 8. Sharing and export options. On the far right side of the preview panel are buttons for sharing, downloading, or exporting the final animation. These options allow users to seamlessly integrate their videos into various platforms, from social media to professional presentations. The export settings support multiple formats and resolutions, ensuring compatibility with different devices and software. Sharing directly from the platform is particularly convenient for content creators who want to post their animations quickly without needing to download them first. This streamlined workflow saves time and makes Vidu.Studio an efficient tool for creators aiming to produce and distribute content at scale. By enabling direct sharing, Vidu.Studio helps bridge the gap between creation and audience engagement, making it a valuable resource for modern content creation. And there you have it! Part 2 of our exciting series on AI animation tools is complete. We've explored the powerful features of Prome.ai and Vidu.Studio, two platforms that prove creating stunning animations doesn't have to be time-consuming or complicated. If you've ever felt intimidated by the idea of making professional animations, these tools show that all you need is an idea and a willingness to experiment. This is just the beginning. In our final installment, I'll be introducing even more tools that will help you take your animation projects to the next level. Whether you're creating content for your YouTube channel, freelancing for clients, or simply exploring AI as a creative hobby, the possibilities are limitless. These tools aren't just about creating animations, they're about empowering you to share your vision with the world, and yes, even earn from it. Before you go, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next episode in this series. Every tool we're covering has been carefully selected to give you the most value and help you create standout content. And remember, whether you're a beginner or a pro, the journey to mastering AI animation starts with learning and experimenting. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Drop a comment below to let me know which tool you're excited to try or how you're planning to use AI in your animation projects. Your support helps this channel grow and allows me to bring you even more in-depth tutorials and insights. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next part of the series.